Okay, so welcome to Redilight once again. But in this little video, we're just going to show you how to prep these thin panel sizes. These Redilights that go into the recess into the gyprock ceiling. It's fairly straightforward. This one is a 1200 by 300, just to demonstrate how to do it. So with each light, and there's various size panel lights, you'll always get your recess clips, which are these. Now, to prep this before it goes into the ceiling, this is what you do. So on the 12 by 3, there are six of these clips. So one will go there, the other one you can see where it goes there, the other one there, and then opposites. So it's pretty straightforward. So you just pull out these existing screws, just put them aside, and now in the packet of these clips, they're slightly about a thread longer, so use these screws that come with the clips, and you simply use the same holes, put the clip there, sit the clip on there, so just do it nice and firm into the existing holes, just like that, just nice and firm. Don't over tight them, but nice and tight, and you'll see that move. So you do the same, do the rest, do that one, and do the 6. So it's fairly straightforward. Now, if you've got an old ceiling that isn't flat, it might be a bit wavy, each pack of these clips, there's also these little hooks. Now you might not use these, in fact you probably rarely use these, but if it's really bad, you can, as an option as well, pull that screw out, screw it in there, and what it gives you is a little hook, and then you can tie that up inside the roof cavity, and that'll pull the light fitting up. That'll help. So that's something that's a good, neat little trick if you know. Well, that's about it. So that's the 12 by 3. We're going to actually continue and put it in ceiling to show you how it's done. It's the same principle for the other sizes, because we have a few in the thin panel. Like this is the 330 by 330 square. It comes with 4 of these. So you'll have 2 there, just on opposite side, and exactly the same. So let's go put this 12 by 3 in. Okay, so here we are to install the panel light into the ceiling. We've got our clips on, our spring clips on. Now the beauty of this design is, because we've got IC4 rating, we've got to the trouble to get that, we can now put it under beams, and with this profile it'll fit, which enables you to put the light fitting basically wherever it's needed to go. So first of all, to get this in, you cut the hole obviously, just poke the cable up into the roof space, because that's what plugs into the driver. So usually put one side in first. So we'll firstly just start those clips into the ceiling. This third one. It's a bit fiddly, but you can get it. Once you've done a few, it doesn't take long. Oops. Okay, so we'll just now with this side, take these up there. Okay, and then just let those clips, and there you go. Nice, straightforward, flush finish. So it's as simple as that.